Today we're going to be writing the word division in cursive. To start, let's define it. So the definition of division is the process of taking a whole number and splitting them into equal groups. So an example of this would be 25 divided by 5. What this is really asking is how many times can 5 equally fit in 25? So to do this, I'm going to use repeated addition, and I'm going to count by 5s until I hit 25. So I go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it took me 5 groups of 5 to equal 25, which means 25 divided by 5 is 5. All right, let's go ahead and try to write the word now that we understand what it means. To start, I want to see if there's anything special, and right away I'm noticing this O and N are connected at the top, which means when I write the word, the N is only going to get one bump, so we'll want to pay attention to that. All right, going ahead and writing, I'm going to go nice and slow and try not to pick up my pencil. That way it looks like one fluid movement. And remember, if yours doesn't look exactly like mine, that's okay, because cursive is a style and we're just going to try to do our best. All right, starting at the top at a diagonal line, we're going to come down to the bottom with a little loop, back to the top, and we're going to give it a little tail up there. Now you are going to notice I'm picking up my pencil. The reason for that is the D and the I don't connect. So we're going to start at the floor for the I, coming about halfway, keeping the lines nice and tight, back to the top for the V, down to the floor, back to the top, and we're going to go halfway again for that I, keeping the lines nice and tight. We're not going to dot our I's just yet. Coming about halfway for our S, back to the halfway mark for our I, and remember our O is going to connect at the top this time. So we'll just have that one bump for the N. All right, we've written the word, so we can now go back and dot our I's. And there you have it. We wrote the word division in cursive. For more practice, please subscribe to my channel and see the show notes for links to similar videos. I will also link in my description my Teacher Pay Teacher, where you can find my cursive practice pages. Thank you for watching, and remember, cursive is a skill, so the more you practice, the better you'll get. I'll see you next time. Bye!